Hey everybody. So we had another Fed rate hike today. That is the fifth rate hike since December 2015. And as I have been saying all along, as a matter of fact, as I stated even before the very first Fed rate hike, I said that when the Fed changes direction in monetary policy, when it starts to raise interest rates, you will see the dollar go down. You will see gold go up. You will see inflation increase. You will see treasury prices going down. All of that has happened, okay? And it's still very, very interesting to listen to people who, and I'm sure there are going to be many just right after this rate hike today, who are going to continue to say the same thing, that, oh, just wait, the dollar's going to rally. The rate hike, it's bullish for the dollar. In my last video that I did earlier today, I went through the numbers, and it's really a fascinating thing to watch people just kind of deny or ignore reality. And that is why it is really very easy to make money as an investor, because the vast majority, I've said in the past, you can pretty much say it's 100%. It's not, because there are a few people like myself and my followers, the people who subscribe to my stuff, we get it, all right? But it's 0.000001, all right? So you could actually say 100% of the people, their understanding is wrong. And if they make money, it is really either as a result of two things. It is either by pure luck, sheer luck, and I would put many hedge fund managers in that category. All right, sheer luck, just throwing something up there and they got lucky and it works. Or some sort of cheating, inside information, whatever you want to call it. Okay, front running, things of that nature. So you're going to have people again now saying, oh, this is so bullish for the dollar. They raised rates. You had 5 rate increases. Okay, you went basically from 0 to 1.5% on the Fed funds rate. That's 5 rate increases. You started off in December of 2015 with the dollar index, if you want to use that as a general measure of the dollar. That was at 98. Now it's at 94 approximately. Dollar yen was at 121. Now it's at 112.50 today. 5 rate hikes, okay? What else? Gold was at 1,050. Now it's like 1,260 today, all right? Even the euro, think about that. The euro was at 108. Euro to the dollar, euro dollar 108 in December 2015. It's 118 today, and even with the euro at that time, we're talking about there was so much political uncertainty surrounding the euro, okay? Euro went up, dollar went down. Gold I just did. Oil, all right, $38 a barrel. In December 2015, the Fed started raising interest rates. Where is it now? It's at $56, $57 a barrel. The CPI was at 0.7. Actually, it was a little bit less than that, probably 0.66% year over year growth in the consumer price index. It's at 2.1% now. So all of the treasuries, I talked about that earlier. The 10-year treasury future was at 127. It's at 124. All of these things, which I have been saying all along and are borne out by the correct understanding of how this stuff works. MMT describes it all. It's what I talk about. It's the basis of how I invest, at least my macro picture, okay? Combine that with mental game, and we make money every single time. So it is really a fascinating thing to observe when you have people who continuously say things that fly in the face of reality. It's a commentary on the human psyche, on human nature, a kind of ignorance of the truth, a willful ignorance of the truth. It's amazing. But you should understand that this translates into vast amounts of money and profit for yourself. Vast amounts. They are literally handing you their money. Literally handing you their money. So, and all you need really, the only key ingredient, which is the hard part, is the control of oneself, the control of yourself. A lot of people can't do it. I have people who sign up and they quit. It's just for them, they want that instant gratification. That is a feature or a trait of insecurity, of immaturity. It's kind of a childish trait. I want it now. I want it now. An inability to control your emotions, an overwhelming level of neediness. We all want money, right? And maybe we all need money. But that takes neediness to a destructive level. Now, these are all things you have to control. And I'm not going to sit here and say they're easy to control. I control it. It took me a long time. I've been doing this a long time. And for most of my career, I sabotaged myself. And there's probably a lot of you out there who could relate to what I just said. And you're probably doing it to yourself right now. So there is hope for you, but it's like anything else. It's like training your body physically. You have to make that commitment. You have to go do it. You have to put the work in. And when those times come, when you feel stressed and anxious and afraid, right? You got to fight those emotions. You got to have your rational brain take over and not allow your primitive brain, the fight or flight response, to control you. And that's what happens with most people. If you can do that, you can have all the success that you want. It's all up to you. The market can do nothing to you. It is there for you to make money if you control yourself. And if you can control yourself, it is a very, very easy game, because the vast majority of market participants are literally handing you their money. They're giving it to you. It's probably a lot of you that I'm talking to right now. Thank you. All right, everybody. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.